Hello everyone, this is Forrest back again with a new video. In last video I had discussed about how to extract links and properties for a particular search. For example, here if I open Zillow.com and search for California state over here, it shows me 117,000 properties. So in my previous video I had shown you how to extract the links, the names, the addresses from a particular search, no matter how long the search is. This one is 117,000, and we can get all those details into the Excel sheet. Now in this video, what I'm going to extract here is basically what I'm going to input here is the address, and I'm going to get the link, the general details. For example, here the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, year built, FIPS county number, user code, that's the type of property it is, single family, the tax assessment year, the tax assessment amount, year built, lot size, finished square foot, number of bathrooms, bedrooms, that's already last sold date, last sold price, and then we have the status, whether it's off market or it's sold, and the status date. For example, this one over here was sold on 12/5/18, Zestimate, and the description. The description, as you see in Zillow.com, that's like, for example, if I open this property over here, this is the description, and the type and style, the year it's built in, property taxes, that's over here, property taxes. Yeah, this is the property tax, $1,641. All this data, data can be extracted from Zillow.com. All this over here, and then for this video, I'm extracting the price history. This one. Now this one has I guess it has only one entry. It was sold in 1998 for 100,000. But for some properties, there's a very long price history associated with it. For example, you see these ones. For example, this one, it has on 25th April, it was sold for $55,000. Then on 22nd March 2016, the listing was removed. And then on 14th of March 2016, it was again listed for sale for $75,000. So it depends. For each property, the number would change. So basically in this video, I'm going to extract price history and other details. Now I have created a controller over here. This over here clears the data. I just press it and it clears all the data, and then leaving the input data over there, the data which I have entered. If I click on start, now it's going to extract all the details one by one. Okay, so you see it's getting the data extracted one by one. Now I'm going to just stop the macro by pressing. It could be different for your system because it depends upon what system I'm using. For my, it is control pause, so I'm going to press that. So I was able to extract I think 16 properties in like 15 minutes, I guess. But you could leave this for 24 hours, and for around 24 hours, if you leave it, it would be extracting around 5,000 properties. So here we have all the details over here, and you could leave it like forever. I mean, if you have an uninterrupted internet access and your system remains on, you could leave it for a month and it's going to extract for months. But if you have more than one system, like if you want to extract the data fast, what you can do is you can have a couple of systems. You can have half of the data in one of the systems and half of the data on the other system, and then they would both are running simultaneously. I cannot access Zillow too much, because if I access it too much, it's going to throw a CAPTCHA. It's going to ask whether you are a robot or not. So I have to be very very cautious about it. So this was basically one of my clients for whom I had done this project, and now in this video you can see, if I start it again, if I get the controller back again and I press start, it's exactly going to start it from where it left. It doesn't start from start. So thanks for watching the video. I'm going to come with more videos